Shivani Mehta. Today we are going to make an interesting rainbow salad. If you are a diet freak or a health freak, you can have this salad which is gluten free, sugar free and guilt free. So without wasting any further time, let's make this salad. We'll begin with the dressing of the salad. For the dressing of the salad, we'll take some hung curd. Then we'll add some honey to the hung curd. We'll add some mustard paste. We'll add some lemon juice. We'll add some salt and black pepper. We'll whisk the dressing of the salad. We want our dressing to be smooth and luscious. Our dressing is ready and now we'll add the ingredients one by one. We'll add some corn to it. These are boiled corn. Now we'll add some peas. Say always yes to green, and now we'll add some capsicum. And for the amazing color, we'll add the beetroot. For the fruity flair, we'll add some grapes to it. And for the nuttiness, we'll add some pistachio and almonds. And to increase the nuttiness, you can add some more roasted almonds. To add the crunch to the salad, I am adding more roasted peanuts. Toss, toss and toss until it's mixed well. And now we are done with the salad part. We'll go to the garnishing as we eat with our eyes first. We'll make a bed of lettuce to arrange our salad. Doesn't it look refreshing to you? Let's arrange our salad. We'll garnish it with purple basil and orange slices to add vitamin C in our salad. And last but not the least, some gluten-free crackers to go with our salad. You're gonna love the salad, and if you do not forget to comment, like and share. Thank you.